Hi everyone, happy Monday. It's Mimi here, and today we're finishing part 7 of our Under the Stars scrapbook album. Today's video is going to be a quick one because I know how busy Mondays can be, but I also know that everybody needs a scrapbooking fix in their day as well, so this should fit right in. Starting off with what I would say is a pretty basic background from this paper pad and a blue mat to kind of just match in the color scheme, but then I used this notes journaling card to put behind our mat, and I think this is going to be a really great place for some journaling and to maybe add something cute from the day like a sticker or a ticket or something like that. So I really like how that looked, and then just to add in some more of that navy blue border type of deal with the holographic stuff, or I don't know, what is that called? I think that's holographic stuff. I don't know. I added that little photo frame in the other corner of the photo mat. To make sure there was a balance of all the colors we've got going on in this page, the purples, the blues, the silvers, all of that, I added the purple little star onto that photo frame as well, and then we're adding this silver bow in the other corner, and I just feel like having these little embellishments all over the place kind of just balance everything out, and so one color isn't really weighing down the scrapbook page, and that is good. This little piece of washi tape wasn't really working with me. I thought it would look cute there, but I didn't like it, so I just took it off, and I don't really think I ever used this washi tape in the album at all. And because this wouldn't be an Under the Stars scrapbook layout without them, I'm adding some of the rhinestones just to give a little more depth to the page. Now I'm just going to add the photo in, which finishes this scrapbook layout. I hope this layout inspires you to create something, even if you don't have a lot of time on your busy Monday day. Just try and get in there and do something crafty. If you're interested in adding this scrapbook layout to your own album, you can get it at the link in the description, mimilimade.com. And if you do end up using it, definitely share some photos with me and tag me. I'm on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, all of those at mimilimade. And I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your week. Bye!